it's really close to my heart. And I really don't care kahit sabihin nila that I'm crying or parang masyadong emo naman si Megan because it really does mean a lot to me. And seeing all the support and all my friends, all my relatives, all my kababayans, na even those who aren't into pageants are rooting for me, and people I don't even know come up to me and congratulate me and tell me na Megan, ito na yun. So to be here today and to fly out on Tuesday, it's so nerve-wracking. I have no idea. But I'm excited. I'm excited and I'm crying. But I'm super happy and I'm very, very excited. And oh my God, I usually just do this in my room. Nakakaloka. I'm supposed to be doing this in my room. But ito talaga, I mean, my friends know that when I'm super happy, I just can't hold my emotions. I'm just that kind of person that I'm not afraid to show my emotions. Except now, medyo parang, Megan, baka tumulo yung sipon mo or something. I don't know, I'm just being real here, being honest, na, you know, there's so much expectation for me, but I'm gonna work it, I'm gonna wing it, I'm gonna represent the country like anything, and I'm gonna prove to them that the Philippines is strong this year. At may laban tayo. Ipapakita natin sa kanila that we're worth the blue crown, that we're a worthy spokesperson to showcase to the world that we Filipinos are intellectual, we Filipinos are able to converse with other nations, to get along with them. And I'm sure all the other candidates are like that, but we're going to show them that we have something else, that we have that spark out there. They're willing to help out in the world. Not just me being, hopefully, that I pray that I will become Miss World, but in the end, to get the Filipinos also out there into helping out, into engaging them, into helping out with the Miss World organization, to let them be in the know of what they can do also to help. Because as Miss World Philippines, that's what I want also. I also want to get our fellow Filipinos involved. And that's what's most important to me as well. So yun, kahit buti na lang hindi ako naiiyak. Ako nakakaloka. But thank you so much to everyone that's been there from beginning to end, that hasn't stopped believing in me. And you know, even when I trip, when I fall, when I cry like this, when I make faces and I'm not so beauty queen like, they're still there, they're still supporting me, still clapping their hands for me, and that really roots to kung ano yung pinaghuhugutan ko ngayon na ito, emo talaga. As in, I'm not ashamed to say that, you know, I'm a very emotional person, and I don't care if people will say, oh, arte niya, tayo umiiyak siya, because this is who I am. And, you know, people will just have to accept me for who I am, because I know that I'm not like anyone else. I'm not going to pretend to be a beauty queen that just sits there and smiles, because I have real emotions, and this is it. Ito na ako. Ito si Megan. Ito si Megan De Leon, candidate number 20 with now Miss World Philippines, going to Indonesia. So yun po. Yun lang po. Thank you.